If your SafeLink phone displays not registered on network, it means your device isn't authenticated with the carrier. This is a common issue. First, ensure your SafeLink application is approved and active. The problem often stems from activation issues, incorrect APN settings, or needing to manually select a network. Start by verifying your SIM card is properly inserted. Then, power cycle your phone. If the issue persists, contact SafeLink support by dialing small 611 from another phone to confirm your SIM is active. Remember, activation codes are unique, so avoid reusing them. If activation isn't the issue, incorrect APN settings are often to blame. APN settings act as a gateway for data services. For Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced Access Point Names. Add or edit the APN using SafeLink's specific details for your carrier. For iOS, navigate to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Cellular Network, and enter the correct APN. If problems continue, manually select your network by going to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Network Operators, Search Networks. Choose the appropriate carrier. This can help in weak signal areas. Note, this is a temporary fix, and if it consistently fails, your SIM card or device may be faulty and need replacing.